Happy holidays! How have your holidays been? It's been a really, really long year. And seeing as we're coming to the end of the year, a lot of us are taking the time to think about the things that we've done for the year, think about the goals that we set, think about the goals that we wanted to achieve and we maybe did not achieve them. It's another year that is going to start in a few days, so don't beat yourself too much about this. Just take the time, reminisce over what it is that you didn't do, think about what caused you not to be able to do those things, and plan better. If you need to be able to reach out to someone that's going to be able to help you, please feel free to do so. And if you think that you need more knowledge or a different mindset, then please make the plans to implement these things for the year that is coming. Going into 2023, I want to implore those of you who would have real estate goals to say, take it little by little. Don't overwhelm yourself. As we all say, that we are alive is a thing to celebrate. So if you're going to go into 2023, try and look out for ways that you can take the baby steps to achieve the bigger goals. Because the truth of the matter is that it is the consistency, it's not the magnitude of what you do that actually matters. And if you are interested in investing in real estate, you know who to call, because I've been here giving you value. So if you cannot reach out and say, oh, I have this problem, then who are you going to call? You know how Peak Milks, is it Peak Milk that says it? It says, if I don't take care of them, who will? I mean, that is just what it is. If you don't reach out to me to take care of your challenges, I don't want to call them problems, then who will you reach out to? So please take the time, think about what it is that you want to be able to achieve, and send a message if there's anything that I can help you to achieve in 2023. I'll be super glad. And I think that I'm going to run a promotion in January that would be able to give a couple of people, maybe the first 5 to 10 people, free consults on how to strategize into the new year. Now, we all know that a lot of the things that I've talked about have been about how you're making money, how you can make money using real estate. And this is what we're going to continue doing in 2023, because we have to make this money together. Nobody wants to be looking out and saying, oh, how is XYZ making money and you're not making money? No, you have to make this money with us. So please take a moment, think about what you want to do, look out for the Domino Society and join the community. Let's make this money together. As we're making money, we will try and have as much fun as possible. We will try and learn as much as possible, because aside from the videos that you all are getting on YouTube, the community people are getting specific videos of topics that they want to learn. So you can join that community. And I'm still going to keep it very affordable with a yearly plan, so you can pay either for the year or you can pay for 6 months. I'm not going to do a quarterly plan because it's not going to make sense for you. By the time you run through a quarter, you're going to feel, is it done? Is it this? And then it will just be uncomfortable. So I'm going to keep it at a year and a 6-month plan so that you can easily sign on to it. Now, one thing that I want to talk about and leave you with right now is our money. There's a common perception that every time you invest, the cash value that you recoup must be above the inflation rate. In the times that we currently live in, that is going to be difficult. I'm going to be as honest as possible, and you know I will say the truth. If you want to come and beat me, please come out. Come to my house. Send me a message and ask, where's your house? I'll give you an address. You come. If you can beat me there, let's wear the trouser and go. But jokes aside, guys, we cannot always expect that the cash returns that we're going to get are going to be above the inflation rate. So other things that you should always look for, and this is why real estate is so amazing, it's so interesting, is the fact that you can get recurrent cash flow through the time. You can also gain value on your asset that you've invested in. So think about that total number, and then that total number is what you should consider when you're saying, are you truly getting value? Are you staying above the inflation rate? Because I'm very sure that if you add all of those things together, you will definitely be able to get returns that are going to be above the inflation rate. So as you go into 2023, let us change one thing that we go in when we say we want to invest, especially in real estate, and that's to say, how much can I make? That is what your question should be. How much can I make? Not how much will I make? How much will I make puts you in a very dangerous position. Dangerous in the sense that you are making yourself vulnerable to people who are going to just give you the high numbers. Remember, in one of my videos, I talked about the fact that in 2021, Nigerians lost as much as 30 billion naira to Ponzi schemes and investments that went bad. These are some of the things that you are going to need to protect yourself from in 2023, because if you do not, if you go in asking the wrong questions, you're going to put yourself in that bucket, on that table, so that they can then make you feel like you're going to be getting so much value by the high numbers. So please think about the questions that you ask. And if you would like to know what type of questions it is that you should be asking in 2023 for your investments, I'm going to link a checklist that everybody would have to sign up for, and I would release it on the 30th of December. So everybody can get access to that checklist and say, what are the questions that I need to start to program my mind to be able to ask in 2023? What are the things that I need to be able to look out for when I want to invest? I'm not sure what the title is going to be, but you will see that it has something about a checklist, because I've not decided what I want to call it, whether I'm going to make it a bundle, or it's just going to be the checklist, or it's just going to be my predictions or my projections for 2023. It's just going to be something like that. So just look in the comments, just watch out for a link where it says sign up to 2023 projections checklist, best tips, whatever. Sign up for that and you will get it on the 30th or the 31st in the morning, depending on where you are, and you will get it on that day before we go into the new year. I intend to continue to bring you enlightenment, awareness of things that are happening. And in the new year, we would start vlogging actively, where we go out to different locations, meet different people, and get their own perspectives. I'm not sure whether we're going to be able to have fireside chats, but again, you all will be the ones to say that. But all in all, I want to say a very big thank you for 2022. It has been amazing. It has had its ups and downs with everyone and everything, but it has been amazing. I've enjoyed every bit of it. It's been stressful. There have been tough times, but if tough times don't come, how do we grow? We have to stretch outside of our comfort zones. So this is me having stretched. I've honestly stretched, because the things that I've achieved this year, I didn't even think that I could. And it has been because of people like you. So I want to say thank you for 2022. I look forward to working with you, engaging with you, and growing with you in 2023. If you have a question, if you have a request, or if you have something that you want me to talk about in 2023 in any of the videos, please comment down below and make sure that you continue to implement all of the things that you have learned and gained over time. I love you. Thank you. Happy New Year. Bye.